What's up, guys? Welcome back. It is cold down here in Georgia. We got ice on cars and stuff. Today we're getting inside the shop so we can talk about 3 things you need to check more often than just 5,000 mile services. So let's get to work. My name is John Maxon. I'm a highly trained unprofessional right here at Chattahoochee Harley-Davidson. And on this channel, I bring you guys to work with me. So if you want to learn more about Harley-Davidson, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Now in today's video, we're talking about 3 things that you can check more often than 5,000 miles. We've talked before about oil changes versus full services, and this is by no means a substitute. It's just a couple of things that might not make it 5,000 miles. So let's start with the air filter. We'll get inside, cue some music, and get to work. For me, I got a wash guy, so I can do this, and if it makes a mess all over the exhaust pipes and the crankcase and everything, he's gonna clean it up for me. If you're doing this at home, you might just wanna go and pull it off. It's only 2 more bolts anyway. If you do it on the bike, you definitely don't wanna do it with the exhaust hot though. Let's move on. All right, so that's pretty much an air filter. Sometimes you need to actually replace the air filter and not just clean the actual filter itself. This first step is more to clean your airbox out. That gets all oily everywhere and all that. But step 2 is super quick: tire, tread, and pressure. Step 1 is knocking out that air filter, getting it clean, getting all that oil and grummy crap out of the air box. Sometimes you need to replace the air filter, but this is a in-between service thing, you know, not the actual service. Next step, got a tire pressure gauge cheapo deal from O'Reilly's or wherever, just to check tread depth. Sometimes I'll get a bike 5,000 mile service and it's like, hey man, you got enough tread to keep riding, but a whole 5,000 miles, that might not cut it. So that's up to you guys to check it out and make sure it's still, you know, in good shape after 2,000, 2,500 miles. This customer's at 432nd, so in all likelihood, he may, in between services, need to change his tire. You want to check your tire pressure super regularly, every 2 weeks, every time you ride, whatever fits your schedule best. As far as tire tread goes, you got 332nds is like the beginning of maybe thinking about what kind of riding you're about to be doing. If I'm going to go out on a big road trip, I'm not going to head out with 332nds left on my tire. I want new tires. If I'm cruising around town in the winter months, well, I'm not going to replace my tire. I'll always be close to the dealership and ready to slap a new one on. Moving on to the third step is checking tightness of a few things. The tip I'm giving you today, though, is specifically the shift linkage. The heel and toe shifter get loose. I'll show you in a second what I mean, how you can check it. And I'm also going to show you how to fix it and what parts you might need. So I guess break time should probably be over. Let's get back to it. Oh yeah, we all damaged. All right, see this edge right here? Yep, that's no bueno. Good for him though, he's under warranty. All right, there's no way this is gonna be able to focus on these teeth either, but they're bad. So back lever, this shaft, and this bolt. Replace all those, tighten them up really tight this time. Tighter than what the actual torque spec is. I think it's not tight. The torque spec isn't tight enough, but they did redesign it, so I guess it's not a problem anymore at all anyway. Okay, some readjustments have been made so that I can show you guys what I'm doing here. Obviously, new bolt. I'm just kidding, I actually have to save that. It's warranty, they might want it. This is the step I really want to show you guys if you happen to be doing it yourself. The way I do this is I'll check and see this angle right here so that when I replace the shaft, it's the same as it was when he pulled his bike in today. Because it does suck to, you know, bring your bike in and get worked on, not set up not the way you like it. That's not the right way. Let's turn that around. All right, when you set these in there, this is where the bolt is going to run, right through there. So I'm going to set the shaft in the right spot so I don't damage these threads also. I'm supposed to be warranting what the factory does, not warranting what another tech does. Does that look right to you guys? Looks good to me. You know what? This problem is common enough. I'm going to give y'all some part numbers for it. This lever, this bolt is 780. Where the hell did I put that shaft package? That shaft package. And that shift shaft. Alright, hopefully you paid attention to the order of the lock washer, the regular washer, and the nut when you took all of it off. Should have added too, you should pay attention to where the shift levers are. You should pay attention to where the shift levers are when you pull it off the bike, because that heel and toe is wherever you like it, or the rider likes it if it's not your bike. I didn't check very good though. Kind of forgot I was all excited about video on this. Oops. Hey, wait a minute. I have video footage to check back on. I'm going to check that out real quick. Let's go ride this thing. Alright guys, that is the video today. 3 things that you should check more often than every 5,000 miles. Dirty air filter can ruin your gas mileage. It can also make a dirty mess on the side of your motorcycle, which makes it look like a piece of crap, if you ask me. Tire pressure can also kill your gas mileage, and it'll wear out your tread even faster than normal if it's low. So it's expensive if you don't check it regularly. And that shifter gets loose, well, it's going to start damaging the splines, and it gets expensive if you don't have warranty. So check it regularly. Sometimes you just need to tighten it up. I showed you the fix if it's already a problem. If you get a decent amount of leverage and not some dinky Allen key, then you can get it tight without taking it all apart and inspecting everything. So that might be a better starting point, but you know, I like to be thorough. Anyway guys, share this video with your biker buddies, help them out a little bit. If you like the video, give it a big dirty thumbs up. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you're in on all the information I'm putting out. Alright, see y'all next time.